What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to roll back to previous version your WordPress plugin Ultimate Addons for Elementor, okay? Imagine the following scenario. Imagine that you did update your Elementor, you did update the plugin and it did not work. The actual version of the Ultimate Addons plugin isn't working. So how to fix this problem? First thing, go to WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus. To access dashboard on your browser address bar, your domain plus WP admin, enter your login credentials, review left sidebar of menus and find UAA. Okay, so Ultimate Addons for Elementor. Click on it. Normally it's located next to the templates of Elementor plugin, and right here you can see all of the options of the plugin, okay? And review the top tools, okay, the tabs right here. We have dashboard, header and footer, widgets, settings, free versus pro. Go to settings, and next to settings, to this middle sidebar, we have version control option. Right here, you're gonna be able to roll back. Imagine that you did update the plugin to version 2.4.7 and the plugin isn't working, some layout you made is broke and you need to make this back to work immediately. All you have to do is go back to a previous version, click on rollback, and you are good to go. Plugin is now rolled back, okay? Of course, you're going to be able to see an update notice for the plugin because the option isn't updated, but you buy some time to contact the developer, to check their problem, to update all their plugins that isn't updated and generate the conflict. So this is the best option you have to fix something in the case that you have problems into this plugin. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!